Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome back to Indian Polity Sessions. Now, in this third session of Indian Polity, we'll deal with what are the sources and what are the books required for Indian Polity preparation. So, it will be like something, it's not like it has to be a single preparation and it is a simple preparation, it's not like that. Learning basics is like learning basic concepts, learning advanced concepts. So for basic learning you need some kind of resources, and for advanced learning you need another kind of resources. So I'll be classifying it like this. So simple learning, simple or basic learning. So what are the sources or books required? For advanced learning, what we need, and at the same time for basic practice is very important, and at the same time advanced practice is also very important. For example, if there is any question related to what this article says and what that article says, those kind of things are basic practice, and advanced practice is like analyzing the polity actually. So for simple and basic learning, either you can go for, we are leaving everything to you only, either you can go for NCERT books or you can simply depend on prep card material. So we are giving both of these options. So you can go for NCERT if you have more time and you want to spend more time, and if you want to learn of yourself, if you want to learn yourself, if you want to write notes of yourself, you are free at your will. But if you want a smart work, just go through prep card. So prep card material, whatever the prep card material is there, that will give you simple and basic learning. For advanced learning, something is like this. Something will be like this. So Subhas Kashyap, I would suggest Subhas Kashyap only, plus the Hindu articles, whatever the articles are there, regular articles and selected articles from archives and prep card. So while teaching the advanced concepts, we will tell you where a particular topic is there in Subhas Kashyap and with what point of view, with what perspective you have to see that particular concept. So that is more important. Lines will be there, text will be there, and paragraphs will be there in every book, but what should be our perception looking at those lines? That makes a difference. With what kind of approach you are looking at those lines, you are just by hearting them or you are reading them on the basis of analysis. It depends on that perspective. With what perspective you are looking at the things, it is more important, because such kind of learning at this book will help you to do more at this particular point. The Hindu, if you are not able to analyze the things with respect to Indian polity, why this thing has happened, why that thing has happened, what is the reason behind that, that kind of approach is required with polity. Actually polity is more analytical and it is more complicated. Actually the student can be misled at many number of times. So learning basic concepts is not a big thing. It will take hardly 7 days, as I told you previously. But this particular point, advanced learning, I will explain a particular concept. I'll give you notes in my point of view, and I'll tell you from Subhas Kashyap where these lines are there and with what perspective, with which point of view we are supposed to look at those lines. And after learning, after analyzing the lines in these two, Prep Card and Subhas Kashyap, you are able to identify those things in the Hindu. So it's a combination of many things. And for basic practice, we'll give you weekend practice, so no problem in that one. And for advanced practice, we'll give you questions in objective type and descriptive type. When it is advanced practice, we will focus more on mains practice. That will give you more score in general studies paper 2 actually. So for advanced studies, I will suggest go through the Hindu articles. We will send you the Hindu articles where you are supposed to look and analyze, and will give you set of questions both in preliminary and mains point of view. And again I am repeating, my focus will be on more descriptive writing. So it will be more mains point of view only. So when it comes to sources and books, you are supposed to classify it as for basic learning what I need, for advanced learning what I need, for basic practice what I need, for advanced practice what I need, what I supposed to do. So in this way, so I have divided it into 4 parts, generally 2 parts only: learning and practice, basic learning, advanced learning, basic practice, advanced practice. In the very first day, don't go for advanced questions, because many students are like that, sir, in UPSC they are not going to ask such questions. Why you are giving such questions? Without learning basic things and without doing basic practice, there is no possibility of going through advanced practice. This is a very big mistake the students are doing with respect to quality. They will be focusing more on high-fi kind of questions without having proper basic knowledge and without doing any proper basic practice. If you want good score in prelims, if you want to do well in general studies paper 2, and if your option is political science, then this kind of approach will give you a good score. Basic learning plus advanced learning plus basic practice plus advanced practice. This is my approach for Indian polity, and I told you, for simple and basic learning, simple or basic learning, we have prepared very good notes with respect to very simplified notes. It is a slide wide note. It is not, you are not going to find it in number of pages, number of paragraphs, nothing will be like that. Each and every subtopic is divided. For example, we have divided what is freedom, what is liberty. So each and every subtopic has been separated, which will give you more free approach towards learning quality. So this first part is based on NCERT, and one more thing, NIOS notes also we have referred. And second thing, I am not going to straightly through Lakshmikant. I am using only Subhas Kashyap and DD Basu, and up to some extent I will be depending on many law related websites also. And not but not the least, if you want advanced learning, focus on the Hindu, whether it is a present article or a previous article or archived article. This thing will give you a good score. And the third part you have basic practice, and the fourth part you have advanced practice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, these things will give you a good score in Indian polity. This is all about sources and books with respect to Indian polity. Thank you.